Early every morning, when the sky was still soft and quiet and the sun was just beginning to rise, a young lady named Liza woke up in her small, peaceful room. She had a simple dream in her heart to speak English confidently and without fear. Even though she was still sleepy and sometimes wanted to stay in bed a little longer, she knew her morning routine was the most powerful time to improve her English skills. Why? Because in the morning, the mind is fresh and free from stress. So Liza began her day by sitting up in bed, smiling gently, and saying a few easy English sentences to herself. Things like, "Good morning. Liza, today will be a good day, and I can learn English." These small sentences helped her feel calm and confident. Then she washed her face and brushed her teeth. While looking at herself in the mirror, she practiced naming simple actions in English, saying words like wash, brush, smile, and ready. She believed that learning English should be part of daily life, not something scary or difficult. After that, she opened her window, took a deep breath of fresh morning air, and listened to a short English story or a slow English conversation on her phone. She chose stories made for beginners with clear pronunciation. Even if she did not understand every word, she did not stop. She knew that listening every morning trained her ears to become familiar with English sounds, rhythm, and melody. Next, she sat at her small desk with a cup of warm water or tea and read a very short English story. The stories were about daily life, animals, friendship, or dreams. She read slowly, repeating sentences aloud and pointing at the words with her finger. This helped her connect the sound, meaning, and spelling together. Sometimes she laughed when she made mistakes, but instead of feeling embarrassed, she reminded herself that mistakes were signs of learning. After reading, Liza took a small notebook and wrote 3 to 5 simple English sentences about her morning. Sentences like, "I wake up early," "I drink water," "I listen to English," and "I feel happy." Writing helped her remember new words and build confidence step by step. Even though the sentences were short and simple, they made her feel proud. Then she practiced speaking by telling herself a tiny story about her day, pretending she was talking to a friend. She used easy words and slow speech. She learned that speaking alone was a safe and powerful way to improve her English without fear. Every morning, she spent just a few minutes repeating basic words like greetings, common verbs, and everyday phrases. Repetition made her stronger, not bored. As days turned into weeks, Liza noticed something beautiful happening. She was no longer afraid of English sounds. She started recognizing words from her morning stories during the day. She felt more confident when listening to English videos. All of this growth came not from long study hours, but from a simple, kind, and consistent morning routine. Liza understood that learning English was not about being perfect, but about showing up every morning, taking small steps, and believing in herself. She smiled each morning, knowing that her future English confidence was growing quietly with the sunrise. One simple word, one short story, and one brave morning at a time. As the mornings continued, Liza slowly realized that her routine was changing not only her English skill, but also her confidence and her mindset. Every morning she proved to herself that she could be disciplined, patient, and kind to her own learning journey. After finishing her short reading and writing practice, she began to add a very gentle speaking habit. She would stand near the window and describe what she saw in English, saying simple sentences like, "The sun is rising, the sky is blue, and the birds are singing." But even though the sentences were easy, they helped her think in English without pressure. Sometimes she repeated the same sentence 3 or 4 times until it felt natural in her mouth. Instead of rushing, she enjoyed the calm feeling of the morning, understanding that English learning was not a race but a daily walk. After that, she played a short English video made for beginners. She listened carefully to the speaker's pronunciation, paused the video, and repeated one sentence at a time. She learned that copying native pronunciation helped her sound clearer and more confident. And even when she made mistakes, she smiled and tried again, knowing that every mistake was one step closer to fluency. As she prepared for the day, she continued thinking in English, naming objects around her like table, chair, book, and door. This turned her home into a quiet English classroom. This habit made English feel natural and friendly, not something only found in textbooks. When she walked outside later in the day, she noticed that English words came to her mind more easily because her brain had already warmed up in the morning. Little by little, her fear disappeared, replaced by curiosity and courage. Liza understood that mornings were powerful because they set the tone for the entire day. By choosing English every morning, even for a short time, she was choosing growth, self-belief, and a brighter future. As weeks passed, people around her noticed a change. Her pronunciation became clearer, her listening improved, and she no longer avoided English conversations. All because of a simple morning routine that began with one decision: to wake up, to try it, and to believe that she could learn English step by step, one peaceful morning at a time. Every morning after finishing her reading, writing, and speaking practice, Liza started to add a small fun activity to her routine. She knew learning English could be joyful and not just serious work. So she began singing a very simple English song or repeating a short rhyme she had learnt. Slowly at first, then louder, enjoying the sounds and rhythm. She realized that music helped her remember words better and made her mouth feel more comfortable with English pronunciation. Sometimes she even danced a little while singing, laughing at herself, but also feeling proud. After that, she opened her English notebook again and wrote down any new words she heard in the story, video, or song. Even if she did not know the meaning yet, she knew that collecting words every morning was like planting seeds that would grow into strong knowledge later. Then she tried to make tiny sentences with these new words. For example, if she learned happy, she said, "I am happy today." If she learned cat, she said, "The cat is small." Even when the sentences were very simple, they gave her a big feeling of achievement. After all these exercises, she looked at herself in the mirror again and spoke in English about her plans for the day. She'd say, "Today I will learn new words. Today I will speak English with a smile, and today I will try my best." These sentences, spoken out loud every morning, slowly became a habit, filling her heart with confidence. She noticed that her brain began thinking in English more naturally, connecting words, sentences, and ideas automatically. Even when she was at school, walking outside, or talking with friends, English words came to her mind easily, like old friends visiting her. The morning routine had trained her mind gently but powerfully. Liza felt grateful for these quiet moments, understanding that learning English was like watering a small plant every day. With care, patience, and love, it would grow strong and beautiful. Every morning, no matter the weather, no matter how tired she felt, she chose to continue her routine. She knew that each simple step, each short story, each smile, each sentence spoken, and each word written was helping her become the confident English speaker she dreamed to be. She smiled, knowing that this peaceful, consistent morning routine was not only teaching her English, but also teaching her discipline, patience, courage, and the joy of small victories that grow into big success over time. And after many mornings of practicing her routine, Liza looked back and realized how much she had grown. The small steps she took every day had slowly built her confidence. Reading a short story, writing a few sentences, speaking aloud, listening carefully, repeating words, singing a song, and thinking in English, all of these things improved her listening, speaking, reading, and writing. They made English feel like a natural part of her life. She understood that learning a language was not about being perfect, but about showing up every day, being patient, and enjoying the journey. She smiled, knowing that the quiet mornings when she practiced English alone in her room had given her the courage to speak with friends, answer questions in class, and watch English videos without fear. She even started to dream in English sometimes. Liza felt proud because she had learned the most important lesson. Consistency and belief in yourself are more powerful than talent or speed. She knew that every sunrise was a new chance to improve, a new chance to try, and a new chance to become better. With this simple morning routine, Liza had discovered the secret to learning English and to building confidence in life itself. She wanted every young learner to know the same truth, that small daily actions, repeated with patience and love, can create big results. And that each morning, each small effort, each brave attempt is a step toward a brighter, stronger, and more confident future. Thank you for listening. Remember to follow our channel for more stories to help you learn English.